Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been wondering how can you turn off Windows Firewall on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, you came to the right place. So follow up with me till the very end, then let's jump right into it. So first you tap on this start menu, click right here, and then you can go to settings here. If it's not pinned for you, you can simply search for settings here. Here it is. So of course you just open settings and then here you go to privacy and security. It should be right here. So you open privacy and security and then you go to Windows security. And then you go here and tap on open Windows security. So it should say open Windows security right here. Wait for it to load up. Once it does, in the left side here, you should find Firewall Network Protection. Go ahead and tap on Firewall and Network Protection. And you should click on every one here one by one and turn them off, and that will turn off the firewall. So as you can see, Firewall is on for domain network. You can tap right here and then go to this toggle and turn it off. So it's going to be Microsoft Defender Firewall. Tap right here to turn it off. You go back and then open private network. Firewall is on, as you can see. Same thing, you just tap on this toggle to turn it off. It should be very easy. And same here for public network. You can go ahead and tap on it again and then tap on this toggle to turn it off, just like that. As you can see, you need to tap on yes right here to turn each one off, but I don't want to turn it off, so I'm not going to confirm right here, just like that. Now for a shortcut, you can still access this firewall basically settings or the Windows security settings from here. So let me close this one. You can go to this arrow right here, tap on it, and then you find this one right here. As you can see, it says Windows security. You tap on it and you open the settings directly right here. You just need to go to firewall network from here and to continue. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.